Hey guys, and welcome to this video. 5 plus 5 times 5 minus 5. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Now 5 minus 5 gives us 0, and 10 times 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way: first parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. So 5 times 5 gives us 25. Now let's rewrite the expression: 5 plus 25 minus 5. So as we know, addition and subtraction are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now 5 plus 25 gives us 30, and 30 minus 5 gives us 25. The final answer is 25. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.